So, you want to be the best dribbler in... Wait. In Unmatched Ego. I just learned this from a YouTuber that you need these two passive, finisher, finance, and speedster. And you know why? Why should I use dribbler, monster, or fast foot? Because dribbling is all about patience, power, and agility. Not 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 about the small cooldown, fast dribbling. It's not about that. It's about patience, agility, and power. Just like that. So this is the best pass build. Look. Oh shoot. Bang. Okay, stealing from my teammate is so satisfying, man. Like, just, see? Look. Look at this. Oh shoot. There we go. I'm gonna get this. It's all about patience, agility, and power. Not about small cooldown, fast dribbling. Yeah, be patient. Like, you're good, man. Look at this. See? Look at that. Like, look at that. Doing ankle breakers.
Libre pala Angels doon. Burger ka doon. Put lang, mabanga daw sa sila kanina doon sa Angels. Pero, nakagawa na sila ng
Two people at once.
Hindi ba muli? Libre yun.
Hindi kaya, saan mahabang pila dun sa Angels? Nagtayo ng Angels dyan. Nagtayo ng Angels.
May Angels doon. Sa ako may Angels sa
But you're gonna die. There we go.
Pero
Not
pwede
again.
ka pare-pare?
I hate that.
Pwede raw, baka
Like,
pilat nila.
I hate when I'm
Basta
stealing.
1:1. Kunyari, pag gusto mong ulit,
Oh my god. Goods. Nice one. No. Oh my god, man. Okay. Get it. Nice. Bro, why didn't you give it to me?
Nangako si Congressman Bonifacio Busita ng prioridad ang pagkakababa.
No!
Paglabas sa Korea dahil na si Enrique Castillo.
Bro, the goalkeepers are not catching. This is why I always steal from my teammates. Vamos. Bro! And that's not gonna even shoot. Like, look. Vamos. Look at that, man. Wait, let me use... Bro, how? Bro, look at that. Ankle breaker. Sheesh. Look at that, man. This is the best Bachira build in Rome in Unmatched Ego. Well, I was supposed to say, I almost say Blue Lock Rivals, but this is the best build, like really.